Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I did the 3D butterfly. So first I braided the hair on both sides. So I started with the top part of the butterfly and I used nail glue to stick them together. Then for the bottom, I just wrapped like both sides and then I cut them in the back. So I put some glue around the butterfly and I outlined it with the second color. First starting with the top half. You want to make sure that both ends of the braid stops in the back, like this. Then you're just going to wrap it around until it goes back to the back again. And then you're just going to cut the top.